Manuel Mara. So, what do you think are the concrete roles and responsibilities of e-services VP? Because as I read through your application, I saw that you gave generic roles and responsibilities of a vice president. So I can actually copy paste it to another application form and just replace the word e-services with another cluster. So what do you think are the concrete roles and responsibilities of e-services?
First of all, I should maintain or be visible, as in magpakita ako as a leader to my subordinates and to my colleagues. That's what.
Yeah,
something specific. First of all, I must have siguro the abilities to program. That's one. Program into different languages, online or offline. Be a mentor of these programming languages to my members. If ever na hindi nila kaya, I will be there to help them. Aside from that, siguro just like what I need, kailangan ko rin makinig sa mga hinaing ng members ko about these projects. Let's say, meron silang hindi maintindihan, I should be there to tell them what they need to do. Parang ganun.
Medyo mahirap na konti. What makes you better than value currently in for services?
What makes you better than money? Well, as a project manager, I have deadlines in which siguro will lessen the procrastination things. Unfortunately, ang responsibility sa akin is to instill that kind of deadline or real-time strategy to all of my members, in which sa tingin ko, pero hindi na-implement ni Bani. As in, let's say, 1 week preparation, gagawin lang 1 day before. Mga ganun. I think that is my edge over Bani.
Now I have a question for you. Your whole platform is focused on the members, but I think you neglected one part of e-services that you should focus on, and that's technology. Now I want you to give me specific, non-popular technologies that you plan to use for e-services next year. So bawal yung mga PHP, Java. I want specific software for emerging technologies and how you plan to use it for the next year.
Well, actually, I have two things in my head. Silver Stripe, that's one parang i-introduce ng kalaban ko with a COA website. And Joomla, na siyempre emerging na yun. That's what emerging.
Ginagamit na namin ngayon.
So, something else aside from Silver Stripe. What else? Unfortunately, yung ganda lang.
So you want to run for e-services tapos wala ka masyadong knowledge sa emerging technologies.
Well, that comes in the process kasi yan eh. So, as for now, this is what I plan to do, and in the future, that kind of point would be addressed.
I have a question.
So I'm
I'm asking here as the current e-services VP. With what I've learned from your talk, it's actually basically the same, some way the same as what I planned last year. It's technically the same, but my question is, with your role, if ever you win, with your role as VP and thinking that probably there will still be 3 AVPs for next year, how would you differentiate your role as an executive board member over the 3 AVPs that would be under you?
Regarding that question, basically I will be the one who will supervise them. I will integrate all of their activities or projects into one. Ako yung magsasabi sa kanila that all your projects or the movements that you do should be incorporate the 3 core values of Visa. So sobrang generic, pero that is the role that I should do for them. Ako yung bali maging glue nila because there are 3 separate fields: externals, internals, research and development, and training. Ako yung magiging glue to merge these 3 into one. Sige.
So last question from Jack.
Based sa application form mo, you haven't had much of a chance in actually leading projects. From what I learned from John, you headed one project and ikaw lang yung mag-isa doon. So, how can you assure the members of PISA na kaya mong handlein ng isang malaking cluster like e-services that has 3 sub-departments under it, given that you seem to lack leadership experience?
Within the org, yes, I lack leadership experience. Pero between, somewhere in ACADS, I stepped up, I would give an example kapag sa SAD namin, in which nagkakaroon ng procrastination blues. I stepped up to enforce the deadlines, to actually replace those who cannot perform well, something like that.
So you would also do that in the sense to release those staff?
No, I would enable them to do their part. I would help them. I will support them to do their part or their roles. Para sa akin kasi, as long as there are deadlines and they are met, tapos hindi nawawala yung interest ng aking mga subordinates and colleagues, as long as they still believe in me, as long as they see what I see, I think the organization or the group will move on. Same views, kasi pag nagkalat-kalat yung vision ng members, saka nadidissolve yung organization, saka nadidissolve yung cluster, saka hindi nawawala yung kanilang core competency or yung core idea.